Exercise 8.7. Question number 1. Tick the numbers in the following problems that are divisible by the numbers shown against them. So, number 1, 5, 26, 43, 97, 111, 128 divisible by 2. So, we have to find out the numbers from these which numbers are divisible by 2. So, when we are dividing by 2, in that in ones place which digit should be there? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So see, in first it is 5 is there, so it is not divisible by 2. In second number 26, in place of ones which digit is there? 6. So it is divisible by 2, so we have to tick do. Now in third number it is 43, in place of ones which digit is there? 3. So it is not divisible by 2 because it is a odd number. Now next number is 97, in place of ones which digit is there? 7. 7 is also not divisible by 2. Now next is 111, in place of ones which digit is there? 1. It is also odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Next number is 128, in ones place which digit is there? 8. So it is divisible by 2. So we will make it tick. Now number 2, 27, 66, 72, 89, 111, 228 divisible by 3. So we have to see in this which numbers are divisible by 3. So for 3 what we will do? We will add and see. So first number is 27. So 2 plus 7 we will get 9. In 3 table 9 will come. Yes, 3 3s are 9. So it is divisible by 3. So we will make it tick. Now next is 66. So 6 plus 6, 12. In 3 table 12 will come. Yes, 3 4s are 12. So it is divisible by 3. Now next is 72. 7 plus 2, 9. In 3 table 9 will come. Yes, 3 3s are 9. So 72 is also divisible by 3. Now next one is 89. Now 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. 17. 17 means 1 plus 7, 8. 8 will not divisible by 3. Now next is 111. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 will come in 3 table. Yes, 3 ones are 3. So it is divisible by 3. Now next one is 228. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. So 12 will come in 3 table. Yes, 3 4s are 12. So it is divisible by 3. Now number 3, 86, 45, 150, 109, 210, 305 divisible by 5. So we have to see which numbers are divisible by 5. In 5 we have to see in place of 1, 0 and 5 should be there. So in first number 86 is there. In ones place which digit is there? 6. So it is not divisible by 5. Next is 45, in place of ones which number is there? 5. So it is divisible by 5. Now next one is 150. In place of ones which digit is there? 0. So it is divisible by 5. Next number is 109. In place of ones which digit is there? 9. It is not divisible by 5. Now 210. In place of ones which digit is there? 0. So it is divisible by 5. Now next one 305. In place of ones which digit is there? 5. So it is divisible by 5. Now number 4, 115, 105, 110, 130, 200 and 350. So divisible by 10. So when divisible by 10, in place of ones which digit should be there? 0. Which digit? 0. So see in first one 115. So in place of ones which digit is there? 5. So it is not divisible by 10. In second number 105. In place of ones which digit is there? 5. So it is also not divisible by 10. Now third number 110. In place of ones which digit is there? Place of ones 0. So it is divisible by 10. Next 130. In place of ones which digit is there? 0. So it is divisible by 10. Next number is 200. In place of ones, which digit is there? 0. So it is divisible by 10. Next one is 350. In place of ones, which digit is there? 0. So it is also divisible by 10. Question number 2. Find the HCF. Number 1, 10 and 15. Student, here in HCF, two methods are there. Okay, number 1 is prime factorization method that we have done in exercise 8.4. Now we are going to do the next method, another method. In that we are going to write factors directly without doing prime factorization. But student have to follow prime factorization method only. Okay, now I am showing you one sum of another method, and we will do prime factorization method only for other sums. So number 1, 10 and 15. So here we are going to write the factors directly. So for 10, in 10 which table it will come? So first is the 1 tens are 10. Then in 2 table 10 will come? Yes, 2 5s are 10. Okay, then 5 2s are 10 means we are written same only. 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 10, same only. Then 10 1s are 10, that also we have written ahead. 1 tens are 10. Okay, now for 15, first we will write 1 15s are 15. Then in 2 table 15 will not come. Then we will see 3 table 3 5s are 15. Then 5 3s are 15, that we have written. Okay, 3 5s are. Then we will write 15 1s are 15, that also we have written. 1 15s are 15. So now we have to see the factors for 10. What are the factors? 1 2 5 10. For 15, 1 3 5 15. Now here we have to take out a common factor. 1 and 5, both are common. Common factors equal to 1 and 5. The HCF of 10 and 15 is, how we are going to write? HCF means what? Highest common factor. HCF means what? Highest common factor. From 1 and 5, which number is highest? Highest means which number is greatest? 5. Okay, so here we will write the HCF of 10 and 15 is 5. Now this sum only I am solving by prime factorization method, 10 and 15. So first we will take prime factorization for 10. So we will write, first it will come in 2 table, 2 5s are 10, then 5 1s are 5. Then for 15, it will come in 3 table, 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5. So factors of 10, 2 multiply by 5. Then factors of 15, 3 multiply by 5. So here we have to take out a common factor, 5. Common factor equal to 5. The HCF of 10 and 15 is 5. Okay, in both the method the answer should be same only, but we have to follow the prime factorization method. Now number 2. (12, 16). So first we will take out prime factorization for 12. 12, it will come in 2 table. Okay, 2 6s are 12. Then 6 is there, again it will come in 2 table. 2 3s are 12. Then 3 is there, it will come in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Now we will do prime factorization for 16. 16 will come in 2 table. 2 8s are 16. Then 8 also come in 2 table. 2 4s are 8. Then again 4 will come in 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 will come in 2 table. 2 1s are 2. So we will write factors of 12 first. 2 multiply by 3. Then factors of 16. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Now we have to take out a common factor 2 and this 2. Here in HCF we will write only common factors. Okay. So common factors equal to 2 and 2. The HCF of 12 and 16 equal to 2 multiply by 2 equal to 2 to the 4. Now number 3, 10 and 25. So first of all we have to take out prime factorization for 10. So first 10 will come in 2 table. 2 5s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. Then we will take out prime factorization for 25. So in 2 table 25 will not come. See in 1's place which digit is there? 5. So it is not divisible by 2. In 3 table 2 plus 5 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. In 4 table also it will not come. And in 5 table it will come. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now we will write factors for 10. 2 multiply by 5 and for 25 5 multiply by 5. So common factors are 5. So we will write here common factor equal to 5. The HCF of 10 and 25 equal to 5. Okay. Now number 4, 24 and 32. So first of all we have to take out prime factorization of 24. Now 24 is there. In 1's place which digit is there? 4. So 4 is divisible by 2. It is a even number. So we will divide and see in 2 table when 24 will come. 2 1s are 2. So 2 minus 2 0 and this 4 will come down. In 2 table when 4 will come. 2 2s are 4. So 2 12s are 24. Now in 2 table again 12 will come. 2 6s are 12. Then 2 3s are 6 and 3 is there. So we will write 3 1s are 3. Now for 32. So in 1's place which digit is there? 3. So sorry, in 1's place which digit is there? 2. So it is divisible by 2. So first we will see in 2 table when 32 will come. 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2 1 and this 2 will come down. It will become 12. In 2 table when 12 will come. 2 6s are 12. So 2 16s are 32. In 2 table when now 16 will come. 2 8s are 16. In 2 table when 8 will come. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now we will write the factors of first 24. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Then factors of 32. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. How many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now we will take out the common factor. So here 2 is same there. This 2 is same and this 2 is same. So now we will write common factor equal to, we will write 1 time, 2 2 and 2. The HCF of 24 and 32 equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now number 5, 12 and 21. So in 2 table 12 will come. Yes, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now for 21, in 1's place which digit is there? 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. So we will take in 3 table. So first we will add and see 2 plus 1 3. So 3 table 3 will come. Yes, 3 1s are 3. So it is divisible by 3. In 3 table when 21 will come. 3 7s are 21 and 7 will come in 7 ones are 7. Okay, now we will write the factors of 12. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Then we will write factors of 21. 3 multiply by 7. Now we will take out the common factor is 3. So we will write common factors equal to 3. The HCF of 12 and 21 equal to 3. Now number 6, 15 and 35. So first we will take out the prime factorization for 15. So first 15 is there, in ones place which digit is there? 5. So 5 is not divisible by 2. So we will see in 3 table 15 will come. Yes, 3 5s are 15. Then 5 will come in 5 table, 5 ones are 5. Then for 35, see in ones place which digit is there? 5. So it is not divisible by 2. In 3 table we will add and see 3 plus 5, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. In 4 table also it will not come. In 5 table in ones place 5 is there, so it is divisible. In 5 table when 35 will come, 5 7s are 35. Then 7 will come in 7 table, 7 ones are 7. So now we will write the factors for 15. 3 multiply by 5, and for 35 5 multiply by 7. So common factor here 5. So we will write common factor equal to 5. The HCF of 15 and 35 equal to 5. Now number 7, 20 and 35. So 20 will come in 2 table, 2 10s are 20. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. Now for 35, again 35 is there, so it will come in 5 table, 5 7s are 35. Then 7 1s are 7. Now we will write the factors of 20. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Then factors of 35, 5 multiply by 7. So common factor equal to 5. So we will write here common factor equal to 5. So the HCF of 20 and 35 equal to 5. Now number 8, 24 and 40. So first of all we have to take out the prime factorization for 24. So in 2 table when 24 will come, 2 12s are 24. Okay. Now in 2 table when 12 will come, 2 6s are 12. Then in 2 table when 6 will come, 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now for 40, which digit is there in place of ones? 0. So 0 is divisible by 2. So we will divide and see in 2 table when 40 will come. So in 2 table when 4 will come, 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4 0, and this 0 will carry down. So we will write in quotient 0. So 2 20s are 40. In 2 table now when 20 will come, 2 10s are 20. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. Now we will write the factors of 24. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Then factors of 40. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Now we will take out the common factors 2, 2 and 2. So common factors equal to 2, 2 and 2. The HCF of 24 and 40 equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is the HCF of 24 and 40. Now number 9, 20 and 25. So first we will take out prime factorization for 20. In 2 table when 20 will come, 2 tens are 20, then 2 fives are 10, then 5 ones are 5. Now for 25 will come in 5 table, okay, 5 fives are 25, then 5 ones are 5. Now we will write the factors for 20. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Then for 25, 5 multiply by 5. So common factor is here 5. So we will write common factor one time. Common factor equal to 5. The HCF of 20 and 25 equal to 5. Now number 10, 24 and 36. See, 24 is there, so it will divisible by 2. In 2 table when 24 will come, 2 12s are 24, then 2 6s are 12, then 2 3s are 6, then 3 1s are 3. Now for 36, so in ones place which digit is there? 6. So 6 is a even number, it is divisible by 2. So we will divide and see. And 30 in 2 table when 36 will come, so 2 ones are 2. So 3 minus 2 1. So 6 we will carry down, it will become 16. In 2 table when 16 will come, 2 8s are 16. So 16 minus 16 we will get 0. So 2 18s are 36. In 2 table when 18 will come, 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will take in 3 table 9 will come. Yes, 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now we will write the factors of 24. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Now factors of 36. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now we will take out the common factor 2, 2 and 3. So we will write common factor. Common factor equal to 2, 2 and 3. The HCF of 24 and 36 equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So HCF of 24 and 36 is 12.